Hey, Armadillo Boulder. This is your rock climbing warm-up that we're going to go over. We're going to start with some big movements. We're going to get more specific to some movements for your fingers. All right, so to begin, we're going to do the flagging position movement. We're going to reach up big, kicking up big, taking it slow as you can. Okay, as you're reaching up big, you're bringing down hard this right hand, and you're kicking that leg out. Okay, you can do 5 to 10 there. To reverse flags, here, we're going to drop it down, pulling down hard, reaching big with the right, coming down hard, the left, reaching big. You're trying to keep that leg that you're standing on, keep that knee straight for me. Good. We're going to go to the opposite direction. Coming up, flagging, reaching big, reverse flag, same thing. Notice I'm doing about 3-second hold with each movement. From here I'm going to go dropping to the ground. Get your hips low as possible. From there we're going to go to a knee drop, reaching up high. Really, with the other hand coming down. Again, dropping hips to the ground. To a knee drop, reaching big, bringing the left hand down. We go back to our knee, to our hips to the ground. Alright, from here, we're going to work still. The shoulder's going to come up as high as you can, kind of on your toes. To a sun salute. Okay, coming up high on the toes again. And we're doing a shoulder tap. Okay, coming up high on those toes again. Shoulder tap. Going up high on the toes again, reaching up to a sun salute. Above your head again. Going to a sun salute. Then we're going to cross over big. Crossover stretch. 3 seconds. Do the rotation as well. Something big on the other side as well. Good. From here, we're going to do some tendon glides for our forearms and fingers. Coming forward. And I like to do a clock. Think of a clock that's in front of you. I'm going to go out, starting at 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, reaching up about 12, 1 o'clock. Just hitting all the hours. Try to get as much motion as you can, different positions. Okay. From here, we're going to be doing some tendon glides on your fingers. So we're going to start here. Get a little closer, we can see what I'm trying to do here. And then I'm going to go bending on the first joint here, cupping. We're going to do this a few times. Try to isolate the joints to the next set of joints to cupping down. We can do that a few 5 to 10 repetitions. Okay. From there, I'm going to do a kind of like a yin-yang kind of position on the wrist to really get the wrist warmed up. And then from here, just go ahead and then do this motion. Go back and forth, 3 seconds each. And you're really warming up these tendons and the wrist itself, and the other hand as well. Going here and then extending out. Getting these guys that really get pissed off if they're neglected. Good. You can do that 3 to 5 times in each movement. And then at the end, we're just going to kind of put the hand down. Get some circulation, those hands, the fingers. Same thing on the other side. Okay. But guess what? We're not done yet. Now's the time to get on the wall. Just hit an easy route. Think about a sloth climb. Think about monkey climb. Be intentional with your posture. Be intentional on your footwork. And take it slow before you actually get into more complicated routes, guys. All right, so have fun with that and stay healthy.